How to add text channels to your Discord server. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add text channels to your Discord server easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Discord. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go to your server and now go to those three dots right here in the top and choose settings. Now click on channels right here and you will find this page. Now right here you will find the text channels that you have. If you want to add a new text channel, just click here down on this plus icon and click on the text here, this logo, and now you can add a channel here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.